Power. In today's world, it's everything. From engines to generators, for ships, cars and military forces. Without it, the world would be a very different place. Among the most trusted global power providers is Baudouin, with 100 years of continued activity, delivering a wide range of innovative power solutions. Founded in 1918 in Marseille, France, Charles Baudouin was first known for making church bells. But inspired by the Mediterranean fishing boats just outside his metal foundry, he set to work on a brand new product. The ringing of bells was replaced by the humming of motors. And soon, the Baudouin engine was born. Marine engines were Baudouin's focus for many years. By the 1930s, Baudouin was ranked in the top 3 engine manufacturers in the world. Baudouin continued to keep its engines turning throughout the Second World War, and by the end of the decade, they had sold over 20,000 units. At that time, their masterpiece was the DK engine. But as times changed, so did the company. By the 1970s, Baudouin had diversified into a variety of applications, both on land and of course at sea. This included powering speedboats in the famed European Offshore Championships, and introducing a new line of power generation engines, a first for the brand. After many years of international success and some unexpected challenges, in 2009 Baudouin was acquired by Weichai, one of the largest engine manufacturers in the world. It was the start of a wonderful new beginning for the company. So what are Baudouin's strengths? For a start, marine is in the very DNA of the company, and it's why marine professionals around the world trust Baudouin to stay up and running in a variety of applications, big and small. Nowhere is this more evident than PowerKit. Launched in 2017, PowerKit is a range of cutting-edge engines for power generation. With a choice of outputs spanning 15 to 2,500 kVA, they offer the heart and robustness of a marine engine, even when used on land. Then there's customer service. Wherever they are in the world, customers can always find a Baudouin expert to help. This means easy access to genuine spare parts for over 30,000 references, shipped within 24 hours, and all carrying a 1-year warranty as standard. It's just another way Baudouin guarantees the maximum performance from every engine and top customer satisfaction. This high level of service starts at the very beginning of every engine. It's thanks to Baudouin's commitment to quality, combining the best of European design with global manufacturing. With factories in France and China, Baudouin is proud to offer ISO 9001 and ISO TS 14001 certifications, meeting the highest demands for both quality and environmental management. Baudouin engines also comply with the latest IMO, EPA and EU emission standards, and are certified by all major IACS classification societies around the world. This means Baudouin has a power solution for everyone, wherever you are in the world. Baudouin's production philosophy rests on 3 key principles. The engines are durable, robust and built to last. These are the hallmarks of every Baudouin engine. Baudouin engines are used for a limitless number of applications, from tugs and tiny fishing vessels to navy boats and passenger ferries. From standby power generators powering banks and hospitals, to prime and continuous generators powering mines and oil fields. All applications rely on Baudouin's power to stay up and running. Of course, Baudouin's speciality lies in its innovative products, but the real driving force behind Baudouin is not machines, it's the people. Today, having become truly global, Baudouin remains proud of its family business heritage, and the Baudouin family is just as diverse, with a range of diverse nationalities, from graduates to lifelong workers, from fathers to daughters to grandchildren. Together, they are the people behind the power. They are the heart of Baudouin. With Baudouin's distribution network now covering 130 countries across 6 of the world's continents, there's never been a better time to find your power with Baudouin. Always looking for new opportunities, Baudouin is gearing up for a new chapter in their history. More exciting products, more segments, more innovation, more efficiency, and cleaner energy to meet the demands of the modern world.
As we enter a new century in Baudouin's history, durability and reliability remain our key focus. Our completely new and extended product range meets the most stringent emission requirements, allowing us to enter new markets and applications. We are Baudouin.
Baudouin, powering your success for 100 years.